I've ruined the moment. I'm here at Epcot once again, here to check out the new fireworks they got tonight. See if they're any good. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. And I might get something to eat for food and wine. But, let's go do it. Come on. Well, I'm gonna go to the Nemo ride, and then after that, take a peek at some of the fish and dolphins and stuff. So I had just gotten off the Nemo ride, and we came in here because I had to go see one of my favorite animals of all time, the manatee. So we're gonna go see them, and yeah, should be fun. And that shows you how big they are. And one of them was Boat Strike Rescue, and the other one was Orphan. And these manatees are so cute. Hey, little buddy. Beautiful night here at Epcot. It's about 75 degrees, really comfortable. I got my sweatshirt on, which is kind of cool because I don't get to wear a sweatshirt all too often living in Florida. So yeah, it's kind of nice. And here we are at Australia. And here are the awesome options they have. They got that spicy bushberry shrimp, roasted lamb chop, and a little dessert, what do they call that? The deconstructed pavlova. But I'm torn between these two.
10 o'clock.
I don't know which one to get, but I'm gonna get one of them. So I decided to go with the pork chop, or no, excuse me, lamb chop. It just looked so good. I don't know how well you can see it in the, it's kind of dark out here. But this was $7.75, and I just figured something a little different than I normally get. You know, I eat shrimp more common than I eat a lamb chop, so we're gonna see how good this thing tastes. So here it is. We're gonna give this a shot. I put it in a little bit of, I think it's sweet potato puree or something like that. Cheers. This is fantastic. This is my favorite thing that I've had this year at Food and Wine. That was really good cooked. I don't know if you can tell. Perfectly juicy. Yeah, that's an A+ in my book. So yeah, Australia, so far you're the winner. Nice work. So I'm pretty excited. This is the view that we're going to have for the fireworks. We are directly across here from the American Pavilion. So hopefully this is a good spot to watch it.
We call it Epcot.
Is at the heart of our creation.
EPCOT.
Right at the start of everything that's new.
Experimental, prototype, community of tomorrow.
One little spot. Lights up for
state of becoming. It will never cease to be a living blueprint of the future.
So that is going to conclude my day here at Epcot, or night at Epcot. I'll tell you right now, Epcot Forever, amazing show. I like that better than Illuminations. 10 times over. Again, it was fun. It had different elements to it, like the little flying kite. I don't even know what they were. They looked like dragons or lizards or something. I don't know. But that was amazing. I loved it. And to top it off, the lamb chop from Australia, that I absolutely recommend. You got to try it. Even if you might not like lamb, just try it. It was really good. But I'm going to call it a day. So remember, guys, only one way to live. It's in the moment. So we see you next time.